best to keep you waiting, but curiosity's got my heart for sure. And if by chance this is a chance we're taking, I really wish that you... Do I love you? Yeah, I love you. Why you gotta smile like that? That little cute face and shit. I never thought I'd fall, but don't we all trip? Somebody told me love's a vacation. Guess I deserve a small trip. Stay ice cold, that was Andre's tip, but she was red hot, I tried to stay hip. We all hypocrites, right Benjamin? Sometimes you gotta call Tyrone to get a lift. Back when I was 6 times 2, my parents separated. Man, I can't lie, I thought love was overrated. They met in 7th grade, got married and made babies. To watch it in was kinda crazy, so I never dated. It's like I couldn't wake up. Who wants to start a family just to watch one break up? You feel me?
Yeah, I feel pretty, it looks scary on that light. But I feel pretty, I feel good, you know? I saw the smile, I saw the reaction. This guy feels good. I feel very good. Okay. We're looking out. Alright. Okay. Easy.
What I'm gonna do, 'cause baby I'm in love with you. I think I'm falling in love again for the very first time, and I don't know why. I'm out of my mind, but I'm gonna do it right this time. You really want the truth, bruh? I never thought I'd be booed up, bumping Jay-Z, jigga who, what? To my Beyonce pulled up. Now Bonnie and Clyde in the system, but my homie still like Big Peppin'. Always on my arm, talking about a pond. I'm like, dawg, who said we all go fishing? I watch TV and thank God I'm different. I could use player as a job description. I could act shy and I could hardly get them. I holler at dimes, but I'm a dollar nigga. Bring me 4 quarters. Back in the day I used to pray like I take orders. Like, God, please give me the special. A little Eva Mendez, not Paris but her friends.
Hey,